Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all good and welcome to Current Affairs in Flux. Let's begin today's daily current affairs. December 1st, we observe World AIDS Day and theme for the World AIDS Day 2021 is End Inequalities, End AIDS. Here the full form of AIDS is Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome. And this day provides an opportunity for the people around the globe to unite in the fight against HIV and to show the support for the people who are living with the HIV disease. Where this AIDS is a disease which is caused by HIV, that is human immunodeficiency virus, where this virus affects the immune system of a person and gets damaged and also reduces the disease fighting ability of the body. And this day is observed across the globe since 1988. Next one. BSF celebrates 57th Rising Day on 1st December. Here, the full form of BSF is Border Security Force, which celebrates its 57th Rising Day every 57th Rising Day on 1st of December. Where BSF is one of the five central armed police forces of India, and it stands as the world's largest border guarding force. And here the BSF has been termed as the first line of defense of Indian territories. And it is formed in the year 1965, whereas the Director General of BSF is Pankaj Kumar Singh. Next one. UAE is Ahmed Nasser Al Raisi elected as the president of Interpol. Here the full form of Interpol is International Criminal Police Organization, where Ahmed Nasser is appointed as a is elected as the president of Interpol, and he is going to serve as the president of Interpol for the next 4 years term, and he replaces Kim Jong Un from South Korea. Where recently we have seen that CBI Special Director Praveen Singh was elected as a delegate for Asia in the executive committee of Interpol. Here, the motto of Interpol is Connecting Police for a Safer World, and it is headquartered in Lyon, France, which is founded in the year 1923. Next one. Vivek Johri has been appointed as the chairman of CBIC. Here, the full form of CBIC is Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs. Here, Vivek Johri, who is a senior bureaucrat, has been appointed as the chairman of CBIC, where he will succeed M. Ajit Kumar. And the Vivek Johri is currently working as a member in the CBIC. Here, the CBIC is a national agency which administers the GST, customs, central excise, service tax, and the narcotics in India. And it is the one of the oldest government departments in India. Next one. Skyroot Aerospace test fired India's first privately built cryogenic rocket called Dhawan 1. Here, Dhawan 1 is it is a privately built cryogenic rocket engine which is developed by the Skyroot Aerospace, which is a space technology startup which is based in Hyderabad, and it has test fired successfully in Hyderabad, where this engine will power the upper stages of the upcoming Vikram 2 orbital launch vehicle. And this rocket engine is named after Satish Dhawan, who is an Indian rocket scientist. And this rocket engine is completely made in India, and it is developed using 3D printing with a super alloy. Here, the CEO and CTO of Skyroot Aerospace is Pawan Kumar Chandana, and it is headquartered in Hyderabad, Telangana, which is founded in the year 2018. Next one. Nagaland Police launches Call Your Cop mobile app. Here, this Call Your Cop is a mobile app which is launched by the Nagaland DGP John Longkumar. It is launched in Kohima, in the police headquarters of Kohima, where this app is developed by Exologics Tech Solutions Private Limited, and it will enable all the citizens of the state who are in distress to get in touch directly with the police, as easily available with just one click away. And this and there is also there is also a features in this app which includes a directory alerts and the tourist tips and the nearest police stations in this app. Whereas the chief minister of Nagaland is Nefunyo Rio and the governor is Jagdish Mukhi. Next one. First ever Aharbal festival held in Jammu and Kashmir to promote tourism. Here the Aharbal festival, it is the first edition of this festival, which is held in Jammu and Kashmir in the Kulgam district under the Department of Tourism of Jammu and Kashmir. And this whereas this Aharbal is a waterfall which is also known as Niagara Falls of Kashmir in the hill station in the southwestern part of Kashmir Valley. Here the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir is Manoj Sinha. Next one. India's first credit card made from recycled PVC plastic launched by HSBC. Here the HSBC Bank, that is Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation, has in India has launched its first credit card which is made from recycled PVC plastic, that is polyvinyl chloride plastic. And these cards have been introduced in partnership with a global cards manufacturer IDEMIA to promote the gradually eliminate single-use PVC plastic. And this is a whereas this whereas this credit card recycled credit card is a program which is launched by the HSBC group under the commitment of sustainability and net zero emission in its operation by the year 2030. And these cards are made from 85% of the recycled plastic, by which they can reduce the overall carbon emission. Here the CEO of HSBC India is Hitendra Dave, and it is headquartered in Mumbai, which is founded in the year 1853. Next one. Merriam-Webster Dictionary declares vaccine as word of the year for 2021. Here the Merriam-Webster Dictionary is an American publishing company which has chosen the word vaccine as its 2021 word of the year. Where it is the America's most trusted online dictionary for English word definitions, meanings and pronunciation, which is founded in the year which is declaring the word of the year since 2008. Recently we have also seen that Collins Dictionary has also named NFT, that is non-fungible token, as the word of the year of the year 2021. And if we see another news, that is Oxford English Dictionary has also named vax as the word of the year for this year 2021, where here the vax means vaccine. Next one. A book titled Indian Innings: The Journey of Indian Cricket from 1947, authored by Ajay Memon. Where this book is an anthology which is a collection of plays called Indian Innings, which is authored by Ajay Memon. And this book has covered the era of veteran cricketers from those years of famous victories and experiences of World Cups and the various Test crickets in the last 70 years. Next one. National award-winning choreographer Shivashankar Master passes away at 72. The Shivashankar Master is a national award winner and the winning choreographer, and he also an actor who passed away due to COVID-19 in Hyderabad, where he was an Indian dance choreographer who worked in the South Indian movies mostly. And he also received a national award for the best choreographer in the year 2011 for the movie called Magadira. And he also worked in nearly about 800 films, which covers about 10 languages. Next one. Thank you everyone. Stay safe and stay strong.